Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on this 2017 Subaru Forester. The customer came in requesting for a quieter ride as well as improving the sound quality. What we're going to be doing is installing these 10 rolls of SoundSkins material along with a box of Stinger Roadkill. What we need to do is strip the car down to the bare metal, prep the surface, apply the material, put the car back together, and the result will be a much quieter ride and there will be an improvement in the sound quality.
Alright, before we begin, I want to go over a little bit about our process on how we disassemble the car. We start from the outside in, starting with the door panels, then the seats, the side panels, the carpet, center column, and then lastly the headliner. The reason why we do it in this order is so that we can prevent things from getting scratched and damaged while removing things from the vehicle. Let's get started.
Alright, now that we have the door panels off, we're going to talk about the material we use in the areas we use it on. So for the Stinger Roadkill, we're going to focus on the outer door skin. As you can see from the dealership, there's not a lot of sound damping material, so we're going to line up the full outer layer. The reason why we use this material is because this area is subject to moisture and this material will stick on there and not fall off over time. For the inside layer, we're going to use the SoundSkins material, which is virtually the same material but with an additional 1/8 inch of extra foam to help with the noise reduction. We will trace the factory seal covering up these holes, which will make a huge improvement.
We just finished stripping the car of the complete interior, the door panels, the seats, the center column, carpet, and headliner. Next thing we're gonna do is prep the surface so that the sound dampening material adheres to it well. And how we do that is with alcohol and a mild soap solution. So let's get to it.
Alright, so we got the vehicle all cleaned up and ready for the material to be applied. We have our two materials here. We have the plastic door seal removed, ready to be used as a template. We're going to use that to cover up these holes.